Hello everyone, welcome back to Registerkaro, and today we'll discuss about LLP Annual Compliance. From forms to documents, timelines, fees and penalties, everything. So let's get started. Limited Liability Partnership एक ऐसा business structure है जो partnership firm के benefits और company के limited liability protection को दोनों को combine करता है. टाइमली कंप्लायंस से ना सिर्फ आपकी पेनल्टीज बचती हैं बल्कि बैंक्स, इन्वेस्टर्स और क्लाइंट्स के आगे आपकी क्रेडिबिलिटी और भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है. So the documents required for Form 11 are copy of LLP agreement, list of partners and DSC of designated partners. And the due date of this form is 30th May of each year, which is 60 days after 31st of March. Next is Form 8, which shows your LLP's financial health including assets, liabilities, profit and loss and ensures solvency. And the documents required for this form are audited financial or self-certified statements and DSC of designated partners. Its due date is 30th October each year, which is 6 months after 31st of March. So again, the key timelines for Form 11, it's 30th May. For Form 8, it's 30th September. For ITR 5, it's 31st July without audit and 30th September with audit. Now comes the fees and penalties. Both forms carry a nominal fee, but late filings attract steep penalties plus compounding fees for prolonged delays. Non-compliance can even trigger ROC action or striking off your LLP. Now the step-by-step filing process. Step 1, log into MCA portal. Step 2, select Form 11. Step 3, fill the details and upload documents. Step 4, sign with digital signature certificate and submit. Now repeat the same process for Form 8. So stay compliant, save time and keep your LLP in good standing with Registerkaro. Click the link in the description or visit our website registerkaro.in and get a free consultation for your business. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.